Introduction, Mr. Roger Count, Mr. Roger. I gotta get this seat dry.
Yeah, you need to get it dry.
Really?
Somebody, I need a towel or something or a napkin. Somebody put a drink up there, and I'm gonna sit down. So, everybody having fun so far? Great show, great entertainment. We've been real blessed this year to have a lot of good entertainers come up and sing, and it's always a lot of fun when we get as many entertainers as we possibly can get. Jim was given the task of getting a show together.
Oh, yeah.
And I think he did a real good job. And and anybody who knows me, if you don't, I go down to the Corydon Jamboree a lot. And a lot. And if I'm not there, I'm at Scottsburg. And if I'm not there, I'm someplace else. It doesn't really make a difference where I am. Come catch me. We've got an Alaskan cruise we're getting ready to do. So if you'd like to be part of our Alaskan cruise that goes out in May, we have the information up here at the table. We also have a wonderful show August the 8th at the Hardin County Performing Arts Center with Glenn Rice and friends and dozens of great singers. And if you have not gotten a 50-50, go get them, buddy. They're running deals on 50-50s today. And this is our 10th year of being here at beautiful Corydon at Culver's. It's a great thing. We're glad that everybody's here. All right, Danny, kick them off. Let's see what we're going to do. Live entertainment's going to run longer than 6 o'clock, so don't go anywhere. Take this down one, Danny. Blue velvet through my teeth. Master Daniel.